everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Training for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Prime XBT. Changing your Prime XBT password regularly is a good practice for account security. First of all, launch or open the Prime XBT app or website and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Prime XBT, tap on the human icon at the top left corner. From the profile section that appears on your screen, scroll down and tap on Security. Under Security, look for Change Password at the top and tap on it. And now, enter your current password in the Prime XBT account in the text box. After typing down your current password, enter the new password in the next field. While creating a password, make sure that the password contains these criteria at the bottom. Now enter the new password once again in the last field, and finally click on the change button at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you click change, your new password will be changed. Next time you log in or whenever needed, you need to enter the newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.